Let's talk about using your phone to record front and back at the same time. This result can never be underestimated. Now, as a content creator, one of the things you master in using your mobile or your mobile phone is ability to deliver front angle and back angle when recording. And this give you some results that make you stand out as a YouTuber or as a content creator. So a lot of people keep sending me this and say, sir, can you actually help us do a tutorial on how to actually record with our phones, showing people what we are doing at the front, and then also them seeing us at the same time, meaning people get to see you talking, and at the same time they get to see what you are talking about. Now let's look at the benefit you get in this, either as a vlogger, for example, like maybe you're into cooking content or cooking vlogging, and you want people to see your recipe or what you are doing, and at the same time let them also get to see you. This help you achieve that, whereby you record your face at the same time, and then they also get to see what you're doing at the same time, just with your phone camera at a go. Again, maybe you want to go into coaching tutorial, and you want people to see what you are teaching them, and at the same time let them also get to see your face. This has been a challenge to many YouTuber or content creator at the same time. So in this video, I'll be taking you practical steps on how you can actually achieve front camera, back camera recording at the same time. All you just need to do is give me a subscribe and turn on my notification so that when next time I make a video like this, you get to benefit. All right, go ahead and open your Detail app. You can see your Detail app over there. So when you open it, go ahead and click on podcast video. You can see that place I'm pointing at, podcast video. So when you open your podcast video, it's going to pop up like this. Come down to that place that says front and back camera. You can see where they wrote it. So click on it. The moment you click on it, automatically it's going to open like this, whereby you get to see yourself and you get to see your front, as in like meaning your back and front camera is now functioning. You can see the way it look like. And when you discover it is okay, you click on that red, or is it pink? You click on it to record yourself or the situation or what is going on. So you can see, and when you are done recording, you touch that same pink button and it will stop. So now, if you now, after you have checked that, you now discover that the video is fine, click on that arrow pointing up. And then when you click on that arrow pointing up, automatically it's going to give you a room to save your video. So you click on save, and automatically the video will be saved to your phone gallery. So this is just very, very simple. Now, a lot of people are going viral with this format of filming or recording, because this allow them to be able to showcase their front and their back. Or for example, maybe you want to illustrate, or you want to go into tutorial or teaching, and you want to teach people or show people how things is being done. So you can go ahead and then use this format in teaching people, whereby they get to see your face and then get to see what you are also pressing in your second phone. This is actually very simple and helpful to anyone that might want to do what? That might want to go into this type of content creating or vlogging, or you want to do cooking as well. Maybe you are cooking and at the same time you want people to see you, or maybe you see a situation outside there. This help you illustrate and explain better, because people see what you are talking about at the same time see you talking. So this is actually very sweet. Okay, so please share this video and let others also get to benefit. All right, thank you.